Welcome to this guided meditation on manifesting a specific person. This meditation is extremely powerful. Please listen to this once a day. You need not do anything else, simply relax and gently listen. The music and the words will work in harmony to penetrate into your subconscious mind and begin attracting the specific person into your life immediately. Now let's begin. My specific person is always attracted to me. My specific person is affectionate to me. We have a fulfilling relationship. My specific person is always thankful they have me in their life. My specific person cares about how I feel. My specific person is attracted to me and me alone. What my specific person and I have is very, very special. The love we share together becomes stronger and stronger every single day. We appreciate and respect each other very, very deeply. My specific person cherishes me so much, and they absolutely adore me. Our bond grows stronger and stronger every second that passes. My specific person loves me without any conditions. My specific person thinks very highly of me. I am comfortable and fully myself around my specific person. My specific person loves me deeply. My specific person has a burning desire to spend the rest of their life with me. The relationship I have with my specific person is very loving and full of harmony. My specific person finds comfort around me. My specific person has the utmost respect for me. We both have a very happy and suitable relationship. My specific person only has eyes for me. My specific person always wants to make me happy. My specific person is very encouraging and supports everything I do. My specific person feels nobody understands them as much as I do. My specific person always sees me as the best thing that has ever happened to them. They feel so lucky that I am in their life. I am my specific person's first priority. My specific person is very obsessed with me. My specific person and I share a divine love. Our relationship is a perfect match. It is already done. I hope you enjoyed this very powerful meditation. Type, "They love me without conditions," to affirm this meditation. And if you would like to get your specific person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. I can help you get your specific person back fast and easy, like I've helped my thousands of other clients. Subscribe for more content like this. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.